Yeah, my video was half done. Just I'm continuing it, especially for ninth class. I was talking about the children participation along with her mother in the kitchen learn to prepare certain dishes, simple dishes, a sambar, rice, chapati, etc., etc., etc. There is nothing wrong in that. You can prepare beautifully. Dear children, for you, I am the best example. And Corona holidays, what I am doing is, I am trying to learn so many things from my office staff like Shubha, Vijay Lakshmi, Soumya. I am learning so many things, even from the canteen Gopal. I am asking them how to prepare it. I am experimenting it on that. The reason is that you don't know when it will be useful. One example I will give you, children. Most of the engineers who have joined Infosys, one day or the other they will have to go abroad in United States or in UK or any other country. But they are not given prepared food. They will have to prepare on their own. Everything will be given. The oven, then refrigerators, the chambers, gas stove, everything is given, but you will have to prepare the food. So why can't you learn now itself? It will give you a total personality. Second thing is that you are getting milk every day. At the end of the month, you keep all the statistics, how much you have taken. You calculate that, you take the lead to settle the account for a milkman, or after buying the vegetables, how much is given and how much you have spent, what is the balance, you submit it to your parent, dad. So these are the simple things which you can learn. Similarly, I told there are many group games which you can play. Earlier we were playing Chokavara, Pagade, and also so many other games are there like that. Carom you can play, chess you can play. Instead of wasting your time on mobiles or TV, you can use your brain, it will sharpen further. That is a wonderful idea what I am suggesting, dear children. And if you are interested in something which you want to write, poems, maybe in English, maybe in Hindi, or maybe in Kannada, you present it. Or if you get some thoughts, some ideas, some vision, you can present it in the form of a write-up and you submit it to your principal when you come back after the vacation. Dear children, syllabus is there, don't worry. Teachers are there, don't worry. Lessons are there, don't worry. Notebooks are there, don't worry. Everything we will give and we will train. There are certain things which you won't be trained now, that you learn. This is the best time. You decorate beautifully your house. Clean your house properly. You use your vision. Make a beautiful house in which your parents should appreciate how best my son can do it or my daughter can do it. And another thing, dear children, one more point I would like to highlight. Your sleeping area you can decorate very well. If you want to develop good positive habits, you can decorate your room. If you have a separate room, it is okay. Otherwise, your area where you want to sleep. For instance, normally nowadays, the girls, what they do, they keep lot of teddy bear, smiling teddy bear in and around, the smileys, all those things. Similarly, you can also hang or you can also paste or you can also use small placards which attracts you in the very early morning. And your role model photo, one role model photo. One example I will give you regarding that. When I was in Orissa, when I was working as a principal in Malkangiri, the most hard hit area of Orissa, there, when I go for rounds, I used to ask the children, you put a photograph of your role model just above your head or just in front of your face. Because when you get up in the morning, when you look at that photograph or a calendar or anything, portrait of that person, immediately it catches. And you think at least once, I want to be like this. Maybe a footballer like Pele, maybe a cricketer like our Sachin Tendulkar, or Dhoni, or Kohli, or the celebrities like Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, or Deepika Padukone. So anything is okay. Don't think that it is not good, it is not good. Now the days have gone, thinking about only engineers and doctors. You have fashion designing, your models, journalism, lot many things are there. You can think of that. So therefore, go on collecting some information what you want to achieve. If you want to achieve something, you gather information about this, how to do it, what to do it, what is my vision to do it, in which direction I should go to reach this. These are all the things you should think when you are free. Don't spend the time unnecessarily, because there is a proverb, don't forget, time and tide waits for none. Remember, dear children, once again I will tell you, time and tides waits for none. What is the meaning of that? Time, when once time goes off from your life, you cannot get it back. Similarly, tide, the waves of the sea, when once it goes up and it has to come down, after that it goes away. Away means away, gone. Whatever that has happened, happened. So that's why, dear children, time management is very important. Prepare beautiful personal timetable every day. How much time you spend on academics, how much time you spend with your parents, how much time you want to spend with the TV and mobile, maybe half an hour or 1 hour, okay. How much time you spend in group games, brain teasers. You know what is brain teasers? See, when you are looking at mobiles, you give it to your mom or dad, you ask them to download certain puzzles. When once you involve in puzzles, definitely you develop the interest. We are doing it. All the teachers in our group, we are doing all sorts of puzzles. The places of India, places of world, countries of the world, lakes of the world, oceans of the world, mathematical quizzes, all these things, where all the teachers are doing. Why not you? So, dear children, don't waste your time. Make it more valuable. The time is coming closer. Everything is coming back to the normalcy. Before I come back with the subject, prepare well, be smart, give a beautiful shape to your personality, and come back. Thank you. Bye. See you then.